Hello, kittens. Hey, Chris.
Water?
No, paper plate. Hello, Nala. Big stretch from the kittens. Here's a mama. Here's a happy girl. About to do the weigh-in. Just sit down. And yes, there is a motion detector light in the cubby. That's Keely in front of the cam. How did that get in there? Excuse me. Found this little Tupperware bowl inside the kennel cage. Somebody brought it in there. Sorry, kittens. Well, the kittens are 5 weeks old today. And my allergies are acting up.
Yes.
Come here, please. Can you hand me that scale since I forgot it?
I'm gonna be busy after this.
Unless I tell you
No, I can't. Stop.
what I'm about to do. Unless I call you.
No, I can't stop. Good job, Ed.
Unless I call you.
Good job, Ed. I can't possibly.
Unless I call him. Okay. Okay, Rex. Yesterday. This is annoying me. The exit Rex yesterday was 15.8 ounces. Okay, 15.8 ounces today. He had a big gain yesterday, and I'm planning on feeding them again. Still weighs 404. Oh, is that okay? 15.9. So it gained 0.1. So now weighs 451 grams. Now it's 15.8 again. I'll leave it. Okay, Cody yesterday was 20.5 ounces, 581 grams. See if I can find him. There we are. I'm going to say, you're not Cody. Here's Cody. You're not Cody either. Cody's the one with no collar. Okay. Well, I kept feeling for no collars and felt no collars. $20.5. Okay. You're gonna need supplements because no gain for 2 days. But he's eating the wet food now. I'll come in for bedtime and give him formula. Keep in mind that Cody's a big boy. Okay, now time for fives. It was 15.6 ounces yesterday, 442 grams. And check your collar. Still good. 16.2. So he gained back the weight he lost and then some. 0.6 ounce gain. Went from 442 grams to 459. Yesterday, maize weighed 16.4 ounces, 465 grams. Are you pushing up on the scale back there? Come on out. Echo, quit stepping on it. 16.3. So maize lost 0.1 ounces, now weighs 462 grams. I believe Nella is trying to wean the kittens. Because I've seen her spend a lot less time in there with them. One up. Another reason why I wanted to get them on solid foods. Okay, Echo. Also, Maze is a big girl. She can handle this. Echo was 12.2 pounds, 346 grams yesterday. Yes, Mom? There you are. Come out from underneath there. You're messing up her weights. Okay, 11.7, that's a loss of half an ounce. Now weighs 332 grams. Again, this is typical for lose weight or mom starts weaning and they start transitioning to food. Keeli was 15.9 ounces yesterday, almost made the 1 pound mark, 451 grams. $15.8, so she lost 0.1. Now weighs 448 grams. Okay, Nella, your turn. Switch to pounds. 8 pounds. So she's up half a pound. And she's about to lose some weight. So it's good that Nala's gaining weight. Nope, she just laid down outside of the box. Someone's trying to climb up my back. It's 5s. Just as a friendly reminder, we are not taking applications for the kittens yet. I'm holding Echo so she can nurse. I'm holding her upside down. She's kneading away. I still gotta hold you at an angle, girl. I might need to get 2 plates. One for Nala, one for the kittens. I hope you can see Echo. You can see the little area but underneath her chin pulsating as she suckles. It's high quality gushy food. Don't be spitting it out. I'll be coming in with formula before I go to bed. Okay, let's do a little reset here, guys. Actually, let me grab the fork and rough up the food again. Their licking makes it go flat and harder to pick up, and their paws too. Don't worry about Echo as far as not going for the wet food. I'm really surprised that 5 out of 6 kittens went for it. I'm expecting 1, maybe 2. Okay, guys, let me spread it out a little more. This mama's not trying to get in there. We have all 3 boys here, plus Keeli. You done 5s? Fives just burped. That means you got room for more food. After 2 or 3 days of having the wet food, I'll put the dry food down for them. I want them to get familiar with chewing and swallowing food before I give them harder kibble. That's echo purring. The main thing to remember about their weights is that I'm not worried. Therefore, you should not be worried. Your tummy full of yums. Huh? And I'll put the plate out there for Mom to finish. That's fives. Thank you for not peeing on me, fives. The medicine run, the eye ointment, completed its run on last Friday. And so far, we have not had any pirate eyes or snots from Echo. So that means it did its job. I do not see any poops in the kennel cage. Don't nurse on that one. Nurse down there. That one only puts out root beer, no milk. Rex, you getting your face washed? You must have had a spot. You must have been a dirty baby. Echo is nursing now. No, she's not nursing. Don't worry, Mom. We won't have to worry about any more kittens. Hello, pretty girl. You're starting to get a little bit of tabby markings on the top of your head. This is Maze. Let's check your collar sizing. Still good. Well, Keely still has frog legs. she's learning how to work to get rid of them. And she does not let them hold her back in any way. She can really move. You like that, Keely? If you ate the wet food, you wouldn't be hungry. This is another reason why it's a good thing that she gave birth in the shelter. If she had her kittens in the wild, I can tell you right now that Fives, Echo, and Rex would not have survived, and possibly Keely as well. But fortunately for them and us, they are in foster care, and they're going to grow up happy, healthy, and have happy homes. But this just underscores a point why everyone should neuter and spay their pets. In the wild, typically only 1 in 4 kittens survive. Even if they're born in someone's home, chances are they're not trained to be fosters. Don't know what to look for, don't know to weigh the kittens every day. So they can spot trends and issues. Rex is so happy. Hi, Echo. One thing about Echo, why she has trouble putting on weight, for one thing, she's tiny. She's very tiny. And she is very active too. She burns up a lot of the calories she takes in. She's fierce. Even when she was just starting to take to the formula bottle, I'll be feeding her. Mama would come in to try to get some of the milk, and Echo would shove her back. Echo is smart. Echo is stubborn. You get itch there? I scratch it for you. I scratched the whole belly, just like that. Yeah. Somebody farted. Swines are up. Ah, she fell over. I got yous. I got yous. I don't know if this is going to be a service for the kittens or a curse for Fishbed. But here's Fishbed. I'm going to step out now. Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day.